Install the app of Network Rhinos. Click on search bar and type here Network Rhinos and click on search. Here you can see the app. Click on this and click on install. If you are a iPhone user, go to search and type My Institute app. This is for iPhone users. For Play Store users or mobile Android users, you can see. Now click on open and you can simply click on login with WhatsApp, but I recommend to use another method. Here you can enter your phone number and you'll receive OTP and enter the OTP. Click on allow. That's all. If you wish to watch our demo classes, you can scroll down, click on free content, recorded videos. Here you can see demo classes and here you can see the upcoming classes. You'll get notification when the class starts. Thank you. Everyone, to join with Network Rhinos using application, using our website, go to web.classplasapp.com/login. This is the website you have to go. Use the code aahjm, enter here and enter your phone number. For example, I am putting my other number. Click on proceed securely. Here, please submit the OTP. We should receive OTP in less than 30 seconds. Click on verify OTP. Here you have to click on request to join and the batch code. We might have sent you a message like this. In this, check out the batch code here, copy and paste, click on request to join. Here you can see you have successfully requested for a batch. Now to confirm, we will be getting notification from the backend team and they will confirm the batch like I am doing from my admin account. So now I am confirming from my admin account on my phone. Once the batch is confirmed, you can simply refresh this and you can see the batch. To join the class, click on this and as soon as the trainer goes live, on the right hand side you can see join class. You can click on that and join the class. Thanks for watching. If any doubts, please reach out to your counselors.